What if I told you that a single sneeze in 1918 could alter the course of history? Picture a crowded military camp in Kansas, where an innocuous, almost mundane sneeze from a soldier named Albert Chitchell spiraled into a pandemic that would claim millions of lives globally. This sneeze, releasing a deadly strain of the H1N1 virus, quickly spread through the camp, and within weeks, the infection had made its way across the ocean with American troops heading to Europe for World War I. The virus mutated, becoming even more virulent and lethal. This single act of involuntary expulsion of air and microbes marked the ominous beginning of the Spanish flu pandemic, an event that would challenge medical science, alter global demographics, and leave an indelible mark on human history.